Welcome to Morocco, a country where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern luxury. From the vibrant streets of Marrakesh to the vast, breathtaking Sahara, Morocco offers a truly unique travel experience for those who crave adventure and sophistication. In this video, we'll uncover some of the country's most opulent accommodations, from lavish riads and grand palaces to exclusive desert escapes. Let's start our journey in the heart of Morocco's most iconic city, Marrakesh. Here, the Medina is home to some of the country's most luxurious stays, the Riads. These traditional Moroccan houses, hidden behind high walls, may seem modest from the outside. But step inside, and you'll find yourself in an oasis of tranquility and opulence. One of the most exclusive Riads is where traditional Moroccan craftsmanship meets modern-day luxury. From intricately designed courtyards with sparkling fountains to suites adorned with hand-carved wood, mosaics, and silk fabrics. These riads are a sanctuary for travelers looking for an authentic yet lavish Moroccan experience. For those seeking the pinnacle of grandeur, Morocco's luxury palaces offer a glimpse into royal opulence. La Mamounia, often regarded as one of the world's finest hotels, is more than just a place to stay, it's an experience. With sprawling gardens, luxurious suites, and a world-class spa, this palace has hosted royalty, celebrities, and discerning travelers alike. Imagine walking through grand halls adorned with marble floors, chandeliers, and vibrant Moroccan decor, followed by a private dinner overlooking the city. This is the kind of luxury only a place like La Mamounia can offer. Of course, no luxury experience is complete without indulging in Morocco's rich cuisine. Fine dining here means enjoying traditional dishes with a modern twist. Think lamb tagine, couscous, and pastilla, all served in private, candle-lit courtyards or luxurious dining rooms. Many of these palaces and riads pride themselves on providing guests with an unforgettable culinary journey, made even more special by the ambiance. Why, if you're looking to escape the bustling cities, Morocco offers something truly magical: luxury desert camps in the Sahara. Picture this. You arrive at your private desert camp via camel ride, where luxury tents await you, complete with plush beds, handcrafted furnishings, and even ensuite bathrooms. As the sun sets over the dunes, you're treated to a gourmet dinner under the stars, followed by traditional Berber music and stories by the fire. The silence of the desert, combined with the luxury of your surroundings, creates an unforgettable experience that blends nature with elegance. During the day, you can explore the vast dunes on a 4x4 adventure, try sandboarding, or simply relax in the shade of your private lounge. Morocco's luxury desert camps offer a once-in-a-lifetime experience, where you can connect with nature without sacrificing comfort. After your desert adventure, you can return to the cities for some luxury shopping. Morocco is famous for its artisanal goods, from hand-woven rugs to high-end leather products and beautiful jewelry. The city of Fez, in particular, is known for its craftsmanship, where you can purchase bespoke items to take home as a reminder of your journey. And if you're looking for even more pampering, Morocco's luxury spa scene is second to none. Traditional hammams, where ancient beauty rituals meet modern indulgence, are an absolute must. Morocco is a country of contrasts, a place where ancient culture and modern luxury coexist in perfect harmony. Whether you're staying in a lavish riad, a grand palace, or an exclusive desert camp, you'll find that Morocco offers a luxury experience like no other. So why not embark on a journey where opulence meets adventure? Morocco awaits you. Don't forget to like, comment, and tap the subscribe button for more luxury travel adventures.